Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I received in my inbox on WhatsApp. And the question is, how does one get started with their dream? Of course, we have learned on how we need to discover our purpose and how we need to visualize who we want to be and how we need to become the best version of ourselves. But specifically, what are the steps and how can you go about just beginning and starting to live the life that you want to live? So don't go anywhere because this is going to be fun. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am margaretnakaongayumi, your self-help coach, and yes, this is your self-help channel where we help you become nothing but the best version of yourself. And so, disclaimer here, the only tips I'm going to give you are the tips that have personally worked for me, how I started living my dream and how I'm progressing day in, day out. So maybe they might work for you, maybe they might not. The important thing is you just giving them a try. And so initially, how you start just living your dream, how you go about starting to live your dream is talk to your family and your friends, okay? You know, it is always so hard. It was hard for me to talk to my family and friends and tell them, oh, this is what I want to start. This is what I want to be doing. You just have to communicate with them. So now here is where the twist is coming in. If they support you, well and good, do it. If they don't support you, well and good, do it anyway, okay? Because the idea of you telling them is not so that if they give you negative feedback, you stop, but it's so that they may be able to understand when you start doing whatever you're doing. They are aware, you are informing them that this is the kind of person you want to be, and you have started about your journey to become that. The results might be positive, negative, the support might be negative and positive. It doesn't matter. We're not asking for permission here. We're just informing them because we love them so much and we are telling them what to expect from us from this day forth. So talk to them about it. Number 2, keep on talking about it. Wow. Why are we talking and talking and talking about something that we want to start doing? So that it can sink in our subconscious mind. As it stands in our mind, if it is fixed right there, it's going to be easy for us to manifest it. That is why we are supposed to be talking positively. That's the power of the tongue. Tell them what you want to do. Tell yourself what you are about to initiate so that your mind can collaborate with your actions, okay? Number 3, and I hope this works for you because it's so hard to start. And in our head, we always think that we're going to start and it's going to be perfect the first time. I'm here to tell you it's not going to be perfect the first time, the second time, the third time, the fourth. It is not going to be perfect, guys. So just erase that perfection idea in your mind. Right now, I'm here. I don't think I'm the best. I know I'm a work in progress and I make mistakes. You are going to error. So as long as you just keep on doing it regardless how faulty it is, you are going to manage. Number 4, be patient with yourself, okay? Now, sometimes we tend to try, and then when it fails, we stop, and we're frustrated, and we're irritated, and we don't want to do it anymore. No, you only begin to be better by doing it, okay? Perfection requires effectiveness and efficiency and consistency. You need to do it regardless of your mistakes, regardless how bad you think you are. Just do it. Be patient with yourself because you are going to fail and fail and fail and fail so many times before you master the art of whatever thing you want to do. I urge you to be patient with yourself and embrace failure because it's inevitable. Don't stop when you fail. Persist, continue, and the more you do it, the better you get at it, okay? Maybe the last point that I can give you with regards to just getting started with your dream is practice in front of your friends and your family. Because initially you taught them and now you need to practice so that they give you the feedback on how you are doing and you just become used to people around you watching you, and then it's going to be okay. Because I mean, if you can do it in front of your family, if you can do it in front of your friends, you can probably do it in front of strangers. I don't know what that dream is for you. But for me, it was like this YouTube channel, and I was very shy, I was timid, but as we go on, day by day, we're getting better and better. So whatever your dream is, get started. Talk about it to yourself, to your family and friends. Forget the perfect philosophy. Fail as many times as possible. Be patient with yourself. Growth and development takes time, guys. It just doesn't happen overnight. So be patient with yourself and love yourself enough. And remember that if anybody that you know can, you possibly, obviously can too. Until the next video, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Bye bye for now.